So I realized during that time, I could either put my focus, attention, and awareness on all of this fear mongering during this lockdown time, or I can choose to say, oh my gosh, I really resonate with this. I'm going to learn more about the frame drum. So I started feeding this with my own focus, awareness, attention, and intention. My intention as a manifester was to create something from the throat energy center. So I have been playing the frame drum successfully, now professionally, for 4 years. And so this is something that I chose to feed. Now, what happened was when I started letting go of my focus, awareness, and attention from those egregores, there was a little bit of backlash there. So I had to let it go through me and not react, but maybe use one of the tools, create a slide for the highest good, for the highest truth to be shown, is what I did, and then focus in on what I wanted to do. And this is the secret of how you can use these magnificent or destructive energy structures by choosing which types to feed. All right, so lots of information there. I highly recommend you get both books. Reality Transurfing talks about pendulums, and Egregores by Mark Stavish. And in the meantime, I want to hear from you. I want to know what you loved, and I want to know what you would love more of. And then in the meantime, keep being amazing.